very long time I'm doing a video on the RXZ. The RXZ painted parts have arrived. As you can see, as usual, the fitting condition also. I just made a small mistake. It was not dry, and this happened. It was okay. Because that really doesn't matter, because the main thing is this, and this has just one layer of clear on it, so that there is no dirt sticking to it while I am doing the sticker work. Here is the sticker. So I'm really happy today, because this was a dream for a very long time. I have a story about the RXZ which I will do. How this became my favorite bike. So I'll do the stickering now, and I'll shoot a video and I'll show you guys everything. So stay tuned. So the things needed for doing the sticker work: an old and unused credit card or debit card, a spray bottle with shampoo water, microfiber towel, and then obviously the sticker. So I'm going to put you guys on a tripod, and I'm going to show you guys how it is done. Probably I'll do a time lapse, because I'm sure you guys don't want to see the entire process. So yeah. Ultimately, that is what happens to your tripod. That is the reason I'll stop filming this. So she kind of came and she took my tripod. She wants the tripod, she needs the tripod. Anyways, so in the meanwhile, the sticker work is done. It looks amazing. So as you guys can see, it is done pretty well, hopefully. There is one thing that I really want most of you guys who think that I could have given this to a sticker shop to understand that I don't do this for YouTube. I actually do this because I like doing this, and once I'm through that process, it actually gives me a lot of pleasure. So that is primarily the reason why I do all this. And so you have no idea how happy I am, because this is gonna be on my bike. This is something that I've been dreaming from my college days, and I could never own one. This is my unicorn. Unicorn as in not the unicorn bike, but unicorn as in the animal. So tomorrow I'm hopefully gonna give this for clear coating. See, there are slight imperfections. I can understand that this is not in the center. It's a little bit on this side, if you know. So all those things are fine with me, because this is ultimately my bike. It should have my touch. So this Yamaha is not centered, or if you look at this, the sticker is not aligned with this line, it's slightly off. So that all that doesn't matter. I can actually go ahead and heat this and do it, or I can give it to a professional. But the fun that I got out of the entire sticker thing is beyond words. So I'm going to place this safely back in the car, because I don't want my daughter to come and remove all this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm also going to show you guys a quick update on the other things. So my daughter is back, so I'll quickly show you guys the other stuff before she starts destroying. The safest place in the house is the car. So I put it in the car. which is sitting very tall, so I have to reduce the height. Maybe, to such an extent that it is under that window. Plus, I have a family of rats living inside that red box, which is going to be a big problem now because this guy gets very irritated by rats, and the moment we even mention a cat in front of him, this guy is very attentive. Just watch this. Purshu, Mucha. So he's looking for the cat, and this guy doesn't give anything. He doesn't give a damn. So Purushu is gone searching for the cat. So while he does that, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Um, if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. More content is about to come. There are some new projects that I'm going to start once I wrap up these. There's going to be some new stuff done to the cruise. I'm thinking of getting the whole car painted again, same color, black. And also it's going to get those massive, beautiful alloys that you guys are actually waiting for the tires. Other than that, everything else is now back on track since the rains have reduced. So yeah, tomorrow I might start assembling the RXZ. I've not decided, but tomorrow I have to give these parts for clear coating, or maybe day after tomorrow, depending on whenever I get time. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Have a good night. Bye bye.